Whoops. Nearly made the mistake of holding the phone in the vertical position. Been told about that a few times. Yeah, what I've got at the moment, I just had, I'm doing some, get things in order. Okay, I'm doing some experiments here. I'm basically getting rid of all that 4000 CMOS logic out of this detector and converting it to be driven by one of these lovely ST Nucleo boards. So we're in the midst of doing that. But what I've got just rolled up, this is very interesting. These are a little clip-on microphone. They're wireless, and it has a the receiver basically goes into lightning port on the iPhone, and it runs dual channels. I'll just turn this one on. I think all you need is one press, maybe a bit longer. Maybe this one's not charged. Okay. I thought it would be charged. Probably not. Or did I leave it on? No, no charge in it. Okay. Hope the one I've got clipped to my neck is working then. But yeah, I thought I just wanted to test these out, and I thought the only way to test them out is make a video. Anyway, that's what we're doing here. We've got a Nucleo board sitting there, and this Nucleo board at the moment, I'll just turn the oscilloscope on. You can still on, still got power on it. Yes, see a red LED flashing there, good. Have I got it clipped in? Yes, okay. Basically, come on, there we go. You can see there that I've got the Nucleo board generating some pulses for the SD2000. I'm going to interface all this in, and yeah, there's a little bit of 50 hertz riding on the waveform there because I've clipped leads everywhere, as you can see. Also, I haven't got it going on. You can probably listen to this horrible audio. Okay, you got some pulse width modulated audio driven by the ADC on board. I'll turn the detector on. Oh, good, here we go. That's the detector turning on. And if I get a screwdriver like this, I'll just stick it near the coil. It's very high pitch. Nothing's been refined. So I'll just go near the coil with the screwdriver, and it won't do anything because why? Now let's make sure the detector's actually on. Hang on. No, it's not on. Huh. Hang on a sec. Oh, it would help. Oh, dear me. We don't want two audio amps going. So yeah, it's a bit of spurious noise coming through the detector. But I'll just go over it with the screwdriver. That's just straight out of the micro, not filtered, nothing fantastic. It's very bare bones. But I'll turn wrong way, that way. That's off. Yeah, that's gone quiet. Well, it's not really quiet, but yeah, I'll pull the power out of this. There we go. That shuts it up. So yeah, we're gonna have a play around. Use the SD2000 as a basic building block. Oops, I was rubbing my neck. It's probably rubbed the microphone. Yeah, I thought this one was charged. This is interesting. But actually, I'll unplug this thing. It'll still work on the iPhone microphone. I think. I hope. Well, that's what it is. This gadget. I'll put some light on it. It wasn't even expensive. So it's got a lightning connector. You can get it for other devices, as far as I know. And it just plugs in the phone. I'll plug it back in. And I'll probably, if I turn it off, I'll probably have to repair the microphone. Do I? No, look at this one. See, this one's got a green light on, if you can see it. There you go. It has a green light on. It means it's paired and it's working. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. I'm speaking right into it. Yeah. So now I've got a phone in one hand, a microphone in the other, and there's no way no one will be able to stick it on my collar. So I'll hold it. Interesting. The other one was charged. I had this before. I had it on. I only gave it a really quick charge, and yeah, I had 2 people talking, and it was receiving 2 people beautifully, and made up just a local video to test it out. So that's these things. If you're doing any videos where you got your phone sitting over on a tripod and you're away from it, you want to get yourself one of these gadgets. Actually, I'll show you what it is. The box it came in anyway. I'm sorry, I'm walking around the microphone. You probably won't be able to hear me if I don't. I'll put that down. And this is what came in the mail today. This thing, right? Wireless lavalier microphone. Sounds French, doesn't it? Funny about that. But yeah, that's what it is. I don't even think it was very expensive. I'll just go on my YouTube account. And came in a nice box, and foam and all the connector cables and for charging. But I'll just I'll go on my eBay and have a look and see what it cost. It wasn't much. I was really, really surprised that it was so cheap. Okay. You don't want to see all my login details, do you? Say no. Okay, we want to go there. I want to go into my eBay, and well, you don't want to see what I've been buying. I've been buying all sorts of stuff. Purchase history. Okay, where is it? Okay, here it is. $20 and 89 cents. I'm not joking. There you go. That thing. I recommend it. I haven't tested the battery life, but that just plugs in the lightning connector, and here's your 2 microphones, and the audio quality is really outstanding. I'm quite surprised. Well, I've got the microphone down here on the bench, so I'm talking away from it. Now I've got it stuck in front of my face, and yeah, this is what I'm using currently right now. So we'll see how that goes. I'll probably just make this into a short or something, stick it up. I've got a lot more work to do on the digital side of this 4000 CMOS logic replacement, and we'll see how we go from there. Anyway, that should do us. Catch us.